my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make yogurt bars. Sorry I didn't show you the picture, but you'll see at the end. For this you'll need lined parchment paper on a container or a silicone sheet, any flavored yogurt, or if you have plain yogurt you can add honey in it to make it sweet. Any frozen fruits. I have strawberry over here. Chocolate is optional. I'm using chocolate, a spatula, and spoon. First off, what we're gonna do is take our yogurt and we're gonna pour it into our container. So, yeah. So I'm gonna use my spoon to pour all of that in. Just add all of it. So I wanted to add mango, but this already has mango, so so make sure you pour everything in. Right here, I have everything. Just like this. And then once you're done, you're gonna wanna jiggle it a little bit. Make sure you wanna jiggle it a little bit, like a jiggly jelly, to make it spread. You don't want it to be too small or too fat. You just want it to be perfect. So I'm gonna use a spatula to spread it a little, just like that. Like that. So yeah, and then you're gonna wanna kind of take your frozen fruits. As I said, I have strawberry, and you can just spread it on it. You can use any flavor, You can also use any flavored yogurt. So I'm using mango and peach. You can add as much as you want. You can put a design or you can just plop it on. So over here I have chopped fruit. So you'll need chopped fruit because then you're gonna be able to, you'll need chopped fruit. And as you see, I'm spreading it. And then you're gonna wanna, as I said, chocolate's optional, so I'm adding some chocolate chips. And that's also optional, yeah. You can just jiggle it. And we're just gonna, so, yeah. So, yeah. And then, you basically want to pop it in the freezer, and I will join you back at part 2 tomorrow because I'm going to be hungry to eat this. So you want to pop it in the freezer. So I'll meet you tomorrow morning, and you'll need to do it for a night. So let's meet tomorrow morning.